Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my solar power fountain and how I set it up. This piece I got it because I wanted something that had the option for lights in the night, that it would light up in the night and also in the day it would work. But I've always been looking for something that had the option for to display this beautiful colorful lights in the when this it gets dark. So this comes with a lot of pieces. I had to put them in a Ziploc bag so I don't lose them, and it comes with a lot of attachments. So this is the manual. See how many pieces it comes with? A lot of them. And it has a very big solar panel. This is how it comes from Amazon. And it has an attachment too that I'm going to show you how to attach. This part goes, you see how this how it's bright, it lights up. This part lights up in the night when it gets dark. So I'm going to set it up quickly. But first of all, I'm going to attach this to my Pagolia that I just set up today. Okay. So these are the screws that it comes with, and I'm going to attach it here. It comes with a very long cord too. So this is, I'm going to be attaching this right here. So this is it. So you can tilt it up or down, and you can place it where you have sunlight. So I'm going to start setting up. I'm going to move this out of the way and start setting up the fountain. Okay, here it is in the night because it has two settings. In the afternoon, you can use it just like it is, and in the night, you can have the light on.